So when I was hired on for DataServe, my primary role was to build relationships throughout Northeast Ohio. And with Lorain County Community College being literally miles away from our location here in Westlake, it just seemed like the right fit. Lorain County Community College does a great job of always inviting us to their career fairs, which is what I look for when building a relationship with community colleges in the area. So they always host one in the spring and in the fall. Some of our employees have actually been hired on from Lorain County Community College, which is what initiated me wanting to continue to build a relationship there. So we've had a lot of success with having interns turn into full-time employees, and for us that's worked out really beneficially on both accounts. So not only are we having success internally, but we can then have success with ourselves as well as Lorain County Community College.
We offered them an opportunity that we think is unique here at DataServe, that they can get their hands on a lot of different technologies. When they start here as an intern, they're typically on a help desk working on end user support. So they've got good communication skills. They're helping people with their laptops and their passwords, all those kind of basic things that anything you have to touch and feel is end user support. But here at DataServe, once they get their feet on the ground and they're feeling comfortable with that end user support, we have a lot of different avenues to offer them that we feel is different than some other companies. They get a little bit of a taste at school, but knowing what's the right path and where to turn to and what fits their skill set and what they kind of gravitate to, we give them quite a menu to work from. The OMIC grant definitely helps with offsetting costs. Training's pretty expensive. If you are familiar with what it takes to start them from really ground zero and get them to level 1, level 2, level 3 engineers, there's a lot of training involved to get them to that level. So that definitely helps offset the costs.
I work with the career services in working on different paths and different curriculums or programs. So once the instructors can get the coursework through, then they become more in tune to what employers need like us to be a productive person right out of the college. Part of the OMIC grant was to help subsidize the internship and also some of the internal tuition costs for the students to become students at the college. And that worked. That was a viable program. We need to continue that for manufacturing here in the county.